Chicken and egg paradoxes. Falsify naturalistic mega-evolution. Naturalistic mega-evolution, IEE, the claim of single-cell to human evolution without intelligent design, is false. It has been falsified by the scientific evidence. In this video, we will discuss one area of evidence. Evolutionary biology is literally riddled with chicken and egg problems, and they are serious problems for evolution. Mitosis, i.e. cell division, is one clear example. Quote, "Mitosis is an all-or-nothing event. Cells cannot split partially in fractions, 100,000th of a split in one generation, then a second 100,000th of a split in the next generation, etc. Mitosis cannot evolve in small steps. Period. It's a split or no split deal." The other major problem is the fact that for evolution to occur, cells must go through mitosis so that traits and mutations can be passed on to the future generations and be improved upon. In other words, mitosis can't evolve unless there is mitosis. Quote from scientist Dr. Stephen Blume, PhD, University of Southern California, MSc in Biological Sciences. Another problem for evolution is quite significant. Quote, "DNA replication cannot proceed without the assistance of a number of proteins, i.e., members of a family of large molecules that are chemically very different from DNA. Proteins, like DNA, are constructed by linking subunits, amino acids in this case, together to form a long chain. Cells employ 20 of these building blocks in the proteins that they make, affording a variety of products capable of performing many different tasks. Proteins are the handymen of the living cell. Their most famous subclass, the enzymes, act as expeditors, speeding up chemical processes that would otherwise take place too slowly to be of use to life. The above account brings to mind the old riddle, which came first, the chicken or the egg? DNA holds the recipe for protein construction, yet that information cannot be retrieved or copied without the assistance of proteins. Which large molecule, then, appeared first in getting life started? Proteins, the chicken, or DNA, the egg? Quote from scientist Dr. Robert Shapiro. Quote, "Much of present-day biological knowledge is ideological. A key symptom of ideological thinking is the explanation that has no implications and cannot be tested. I call such logical dead-ends anti-theories because they have exactly the opposite effect of real theories. They stop our thinking rather than stimulate it. Evolution by natural selection, for instance, which Charles Darwin originally conceived as a great theory, has lately come to function more as an anti-theory, called upon to cover up embarrassing experimental shortcomings and legitimize findings that are at best questionable and at worst not even wrong. Your protein defies the laws of mass action? Evolution did it. Your complicated mess of chemical reactions turns into a chicken? Evolution! The human brain works on logical principles no computer can emulate. Evolution is the cause." Quote from Nobel laureate scientist Dr. Robert B. Laughlin, PhD, MIT. Note: Dr. Laughlin is using irony, as you can tell. His comments indicate that naturalistic mega-evolution is an anti-theory that switches off thought in evolution believers. And that has been my experience as well. Indeed, evolution of the gaps. Evolution did it, is ubiquitous in the evolutionist peer-reviewed literature, articles, journals, and school texts. Curiously, in spite of the problem being so easy to discern in the scientific literature, most Darwinians are not capable of discerning it or of seeing the implications of it. And around we go. Where is stops? Nobody knows. Circularity in reasoning is part of the very root of all evolutionary thinking since Darwin. Conclusion: chicken and egg paradoxes provide strong evidence against naturalistic mega-evolution. Chicken and egg paradoxes falsify naturalistic mega-evolution. Thanks to Gary Hitch. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.